Wow.
pala nito.
Ano pala tayo? Sa
Yeah.
Yung dalawa. Yung dalawa.
0.5? No.
Yeah, I think so.
This is you.
Yeah.
Alam mo, cellphone niya. Vlogger.
What bag? Where are they? Beauty?
Huh?
Is this a dream?
Walang hindi ka nga dito.
Nagpakulay pa ko. Ay, joke lang. Kala ko nagpakulay.
Hindi na tiro nga. May picture tayo.
Oh, I can see them. Oh, Kuya Ryan pala nandiyan. Oh, wow.
Ano oras kayo dumating? Sabi mo ito ng passport eh. No?
Malbar? May klase pa ako kayo sa...
Toy Story. Galing.
Ano may sa Toy Story yung likod niyan? Totoo kaya yun?
Kaya nga.
Para coincidence.
What a cool. Wow.
Si Black.
Ano sasabi mo po, Kuya?
Ang masasabi ko ay naiina rin ako. Game na daw guys. Ang masasabi ko lang po ay good luck sa amin sa competition.
Oh, how I love traveling.
Terminal 3 kami guys.
Oo nga, si Buyan no, si Good Life yan.
Ay.
It's in number 3. We're going to get our baggage, guys.
Wow.
So that's all for today. Thanks.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for no speaking English, please. No speaking dollars. I nose bleed. I bleed my nose. I bleed my nose. Mabuhay. Welcome to Manila. 안녕하세요. 저는 지샤입니다. So, 감사합니다. 하이, 아리가토. I miss bilingual. Ano? Tama ba yun? Bilingual.
Dalawa.
Diba bilingual?
Ay.
Wala, naglandian sila guys. Bawal yan dito.
The wrong.
Tira naman na ulit, nakita na naman.
Sa vlog na naman kami ni Yuri.
Yay.
Kaya ako mo eh.
5, 6. Ay, pabidyo kami, Kuya. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ay, parang
Terminal 3 kami. I look so bloated in that video.
You don't look bloated.
I look like I just came up of my parents' bumhole.
Your parents what?
Bumhole.
Oh. Alright. Sino nga sabay mo po, Kuya?
Lima kami local.
Alright. Kilati din ako, Kuya. I rather than... Ay, sorry po. Sorry po.
Tara.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Waiting sa Grab.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, yo.
Ako yung nag-book.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Nice. I won't stop. I won't stop. How are you feeling that we're now in Manila? How are you feeling that we're now in Manila? Sino kaya po pwede yung Si Kuya.
Stop it. First fade away.
Oh, that's so sweet. That's actually so sweet. Oh, that was so sweet. Kainis. Hey.
Look like a mother. Bro.
Oh, cute. What's happening?
Sarguin ko to si Pagtarapan ka.
Senior or student? How's your burning eyes?
Because your glasses are on fire.
Yeah, it's like giving me a sweat. Here we are.
Pakita ko lang kila mami. Because they won't have a chance.
Here we are.
Oh, wow. They're so sweet. Oh, wow. May ID ka dala? Opo.
Hindi na nagko-convince, nagiging turista na lang.
Ted, kay Kuya Ian. Ate Renela, Kuya Ian. Diwag ko siya pa. Kuya Ian, Ate Renela.
The chosen one. I feel like I'm floating.
Yo, stop it, bro. Bro, stop it,
That
bro.
it makes me want to annoy you even more.
Bro.
Everyone.
Hey, Jason. Hey, Jason. Can you wait a Jason? Thank you.
Hello. Oh my gosh. Ilang snack for the food. Sell it. It's ready. Wala na ito. Oh wow. Look at that. Look at your face, bro. Give me my money. Anong number mo? Where's my ticket?
Tabi ka lang.
Safe lang hindi, wala naman nakalagay, bawal dito. Tama.
Look at you, my tomboy.
Hello guys.
Wow.
We're here at 2600.
AA. Oh, we're leaving now. Oh, we're here.